Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about why you only need a simple one-page website to grow your affiliate business. Are you aware that one of the most important things you can do as an affiliate marketer is to build an email list? Then you'll be in a position to send them emails promoting offers. You see, once you have a visitor's email address, you will always have it, unless they unsubscribe of course, which can happen. But for those who do remain on your list, it's basically free traffic for you, and you can market to your email list again and again without ever having to pay a penny more for that traffic. So once you build that email list, you will have free traffic for life. As an affiliate marketer, it does not get any better. So how do you go about growing your email list? Well, the good news here is that you can start and grow your list using a simple one-page website. But it can't be any old one-page website. It needs to be what we call an opt-in page. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can create a highly effective opt-in page that will help you to grow your affiliate business. But before we move on to that, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, affiliate marketing is the easiest and quickest business model, especially if you're a beginner looking for ways to make money online. Now, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week with helpful information for new and struggling affiliates. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. Why you only really need a simple one-page website to grow your affiliate business. Now, as I've already mentioned, this one-page website needs to be what we call an opt-in page. And this opt-in page serves one very important purpose, and that is to get people to give you their email address. You see, building an email list is a very important job all affiliate marketers need to be doing. Then you'll be in a position to send them emails promoting offers. You see, once you have a visitor's email address, you will always have it unless they unsubscribe. But for those who remain on your list, it's basically free traffic for you, and you can market to your email list again and again without ever having to pay a penny more for that traffic. And as you now know, the way we capture those email addresses is by using what we call an opt-in page. This is why this simple one-page website is crucially important. This simple one-page website, or as we call it, an opt-in page, is how you get to grow your affiliate business. So it plays a crucial role. Basically, it will help you to generate leads, which hopefully you will then be able to convert into sales, which of course means more commissions for you. So how do you create an effective opt-in page? One that will enable you to convert as many visitors as possible into high quality leads. In order to create a high converting landing page, you need to focus on 4 main elements: the headline, the free gift or lead magnet, the opt-in box, and the bullet points. Okay, let's go through each of these 4 parts individually. First, the headline. This is the most important component of your landing page. It's one of the first things your visitor will see when they land on your page. So you need a strong headline. When someone arrives at your landing page, you have a short time in which to grab their attention. So your headline needs to be strong enough to stop them and make them pay attention. Second, the free gift or lead magnet. The only way people are going to hand you their email address is if you offer them something of value. This could be a free video, maybe a free PDF report, basically something of value in exchange for their email address. Whatever you decide to offer as your free gift, you should include an image of your free gift on your opt-in page. Third, the opt-in box. This is simply a little box in which your visitor enters their email address in order to obtain your free gift. It's a good idea to add some reinforcing text to your opt-in box. For example, you might have enter your email here in your box, and then below you might say something like free instant access. Also, remember, the opt-in box is where your prospect will give you their email address, so make sure it stands out on your opt-in page. It's a good idea to make sure they can see this box without having to scroll down the page. And the fourth one, bullet points. Here you just list a few bullet points that basically describe what your prospect will get when they opt into your email list. You are now aware of how important it is for you to grow an email list if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. And the way we do this is by using a simple one-page website known as an opt-in page. And you now have more knowledge on how to create a high converting opt-in page. You see, capturing your prospect's email address and growing an email list is one of the key steps you need to follow to grow a profitable affiliate business today. Becoming a successful affiliate marketer really comes down to having the right system in place. There are actually just 4 steps you need to learn and apply to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now, if you check out the link in my description just below this video, you'll discover how you can get access to a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will go into more detail about these 4 steps and how you need to apply them to grow a profitable affiliate business. I strongly advise you to take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training video. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I do appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and watch the free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.